Hey there, and welcome to Word Journey English, your cozy corner for learning English through stories, every day, all day. I'm Lafisha, and I'm so happy you're here. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, this channel is your place to listen, relax, and grow your English step by step. We'll explore fun stories, real-life conversations, and useful phrases that you can use right away. So grab a cup of tea, hit play, and let your word journey begin. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this adventure, one word at a time. This is the place where we learn simple, useful English step by step. In this chapter, we will talk about one big topic: how to improve your English, slowly, clearly, and with confidence. It doesn't matter if you're just starting today or if you've been learning for a few months. You can always grow. You can always get better. So, let's get into it. And remember, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen, repeat, and keep learning with me. You're doing great. Learning English takes time, but it works. First, I want to remind you of something very important. Learning a new language takes time. Nobody speaks perfectly in 1 week. Nobody understands everything on day one. You will make mistakes. I make mistakes too, even in my own language. That's normal. That's part of learning. So don't be afraid. Don't feel bad if you forget a word or don't know how to say something. Just try. That's how you improve. Tip 1. Speak English every day. Yes, every day. Speaking is one of the most important parts of learning a language. But many learners don't speak because they feel shy or scared, or they think their English is not good enough. Let me tell you something. You don't have to be perfect to speak. You just have to start. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can still speak. Here are some things you can do. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. Say what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am eating lunch. Look around your room and name things. This is a chair. That is a table. This is my phone. Repeat after me or after your favorite English YouTubers or actors. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need big words. Just open your mouth and speak. The more you speak, the easier it gets. When I started learning a new language, I also felt shy. But I started speaking to myself in front of the mirror. It helped a lot. Tip 2. Listen to English every day. Start with easy listening. Listening is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to learn. You can listen to English even when you're not studying. Listen while you're walking, cooking, cleaning, or lying in bed. Start with slow English. You can search for Slow English Listening Practice or English Listening for Beginners on YouTube. Watch with subtitles. First with English subtitles, then without them. What should you listen to? Short English conversations. Beginner podcasts. English stories for kids. Simple YouTube videos like this one. If you listen every day, even for 10 or 15 minutes, your brain starts to learn the rhythm of the language. You will hear how real people speak. You will learn how sentences sound, not just how they look in books. Tip 3. Read in English. Start small, but read often. Reading is a great way to build vocabulary. It also helps you learn sentence structure and grammar without studying grammar books. But don't start with big novels or hard news. Start small. You can read children's books, simple short stories, easy English news, English comic books, English subtitles on shows. Reading helps your brain see English again and again. If you read a story today and read it again tomorrow, you will remember more. I remember when I first read English books, I didn't understand everything. Sometimes I understood only 30%, but I kept reading. And each time I read the same page again, I understood more. Now I can read a full book. And you can do that too, just start small. Tip 4. Write in English. Even one line helps. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. It makes you think about how words go together. Here's what you can do. Start a simple journal. Write 1 or 2 lines every day. Example: today I am tired. I had a long day, but I studied English and I feel proud. You don't need to write a lot. Just a few lines a day are enough. Other things you can write. A shopping list in English. Your to-do list. A letter to yourself. sentences with new words you learn. Writing helps you remember what you learn. Tip 5. Learn new words, but not too many. You do not need 1,000 words today. In fact, if you try to learn too many words, you will forget them. Start with 5 to 10 words a day. Let's say you learn the word happy. Say it out loud. Happy. Write it down. Happy. Use it in a sentence. I am happy today. Think of the opposite word. Sad. Now you have 2 words, happy and sad. You can make more sentences. Yesterday, I was sad. Today I am happy.
See?
That's how you grow. You can also use apps like Anki or Quizlet. Or just use paper flashcards. Simple is good. Tip 6. Watch movies, shows, and videos, but watch them smart. Watching is fun, but watching with focus is better. Here's what I mean. Don't just watch 10 shows and forget everything. Pick one short video or episode and watch it many times. First, watch with English subtitles. Then, watch again without subtitles. Pause and repeat the lines. Try saying the lines yourself. You learn more when you repeat. Choose videos that are interesting to you. If you like comedy, watch English comedy. If you like food, watch cooking videos in English. When learning is fun, it works better. Tip 7. Study every day, even 15 minutes is enough. You don't need 3 hours a day. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day is perfect. What's important is consistency, doing it every day. Here's a simple daily plan. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes writing. That's 30 minutes. Do this every day, and you will improve. Even if you are busy, you can find 30 minutes. Wake up a little early. Practice before bed. Small steps every day equals big progress over time. Bonus tip. Use English in real life. Use English whenever you can. Change your phone language to English. Use Google in English. Write your social media posts in English. Join an English group on Facebook. Comment on English videos. Play games in English. Talk to online friends in English. Don't wait until you're ready. Use English now. The more you use it, the more natural it feels. Final thoughts. Be kind to yourself. You're learning something big. It's okay to go slow. It's okay to forget. It's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is don't stop. You are doing amazing just by watching this video and trying. Quick summary. Here's what we talked about. Speak English every day, even alone. Listen to English as much as you can. Read easy stories and short articles. Write 1 or 2 lines every day. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Watch short videos again and again. Practice daily. 30 minutes is enough. Use English in real life. Keep going, don't give up. Thanks so much for listening and spending time with me today on Word Journey English. I hope you enjoyed the story and picked up some new words along the way. Remember, every day you listen, you're one step closer to fluency. So keep going, stay curious, and come back anytime for more stories and English fun. Until next time, this is Lafisha, wishing you a happy and confident word journey. Bye for now and see you soon.